Put it on.
Today is Sunday, day off. So, nagising una itong aking alaga. Tulog pa ang mga magulang. Light lang yan. At, ibinili ng ako noong Biyernes na gagawin namin Sabado itong assignment. Kasi nakalimutan ko kahapon na Sabado kasi nga nag-cycling kami sa far away. So, ito gagawin namin ngayon. Andito ang aking ulit. Press your hand. Say hi, Beshi.
Hi, Bessie.
Okay na. So, ang assignment niya ay itong days of the week, i-form namin into clock. Sana magawa namin ng maayos.
No, I can't.
I will cut so I can cut properly. You will stick, okay? See, it's quiet. No, troublesome.
What does troublesome mean?
It's hard. Try not to do a lot of noise because they are sleeping.
Is this so nice?
Why is the Tuesday is angry face?
It's because it's raining.
Oh, is it?
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi,
Oh, okay.
samedi, dimanche.
Timos is Sunday. Ayan. Tapos ko na ang Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Chinese pala to, Chinese homework. Ang ginawa lang ni Amo kasi hindi naman ako marunong magbasa ng Chinese. 'Di ba? Ito yung word, yung Chinese word. Sinulatan niya ng English para alam ko accordingly ang i-dedicate. Habang busy nga ako dito sa days of the week na Chinese, itong may assignment mismo na si Bunso, ito naman ang ginagawa. Dapat niya mabuo itong dragon. Show me your dragon na. Wow! Awesome! Good job, darling. Good job. This is a nice dragon. I believe you can, right?
See, I know how to copy it.
Yeah, I know you can. Continue. Friday. Saturday. Is Saturday a surprise face or excited?
Surprise face.
Surprise face. After this, you wanna eat breakfast with me?
I want to eat breakfast.
Or you wait for your parents?
I want to eat breakfast. Yo.
So sticky. Oh my God, the spacing is ugly. Ang bubbles ko, yung spacing, ang pangit. Ito siya. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pero tingnan niyo yung spacing nitong tatlo. Si Monday, si Sunday, at saka si Saturday. Ito dapat okay. Pero itong tatlo, ang pangit ang spacing na po, hindi matutuwa ang amo kong babae nito. Hindi ko na matanggal kasi dikit na siya. Kakaloka. Ayan, may thumbtacks para dito sa kamay niya na umiikot kunwari. Pati. Ayun. Kasi hindi ako natuwa sa spacing.
Hey, Bessie. I'm finally done. Is this a nice clock? 星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天。Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.